Good day everyone, in this video I'm showing you how to use WhatsApp on Android phone. So firstly, of course, make sure to go into your Play Store and download WhatsApp. So just go into the search and type in WhatsApp. Going to the page, download it and install it. After that, let us open it up. And guys, in here, everything is pretty simple. So how do you use this? So if you want to start a chat, as you can see on the bottom right of the screen, we have this green chat button. Just click on it. And in here you will have an ability to type in a certain phone number and, for example, find or add a person's contact into your contacts list and then be able, of course, to message them. And in here you just pretty much just start typing in the phone number of a certain person you want to chat. Also, guys, you can create a group. You just click on this. Then if you have any contacts, for example, you can just add those people to this group. You can go ahead and create a new contact or a new community. Create a new contact, you just go here, insert the first name, last name, then you choose the specific country that the phone number belongs to, then you type in the phone number, of course. You can also press sync contact to phone to have this phone number and this contact in your contacts list on your phone, and after that you just press on save. And then you just go back into chats, and in your chats you can start messaging them. Also, we have a tab updates. If you're willing to maybe follow some groups or channels, you can do that. Also, you can search for channels right here if you wish. And also we have communities. So as you can see, you can bring members together in topic-based groups and make it easy to get admin announcements. So you can just start your own community if you wish. And also we have the calls section. This is pretty much where you can see the list of who you called or someone who called you. And manage, you can also call them easily from here. You can also add favorites. Press on more. You can also, as you can see, create a new call link, call a number, create a new contact, and schedule a call. And also we have settings, guys. So this is pretty much subjective, how you want to approach this. For example, if you go to account, as you can see, we have our important stuff like two-step verification, email address. You can change a number, request account info, or delete the account. So this is pretty much a small tutorial for you guys on how to use WhatsApp. So connect to your friends and family and enjoy chatting. Guys, if this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.